What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a quick short review on the Beckham Hotel Collection pillows that I have recently bought. Now, I just recently bought these pillows maybe a month ago. Bought a 2-pack set for, I think it was around $40 or so. Okay. So I've been using it for a month, and I kind of wanted to just let you guys know on how I feel about them. Now, if you haven't seen the unboxing video, go ahead and take a look at that one first. I kind of go over the texture and also the design for the pillow. But after using this for over 1 month, I have definitely enjoyed this pillow. Now, the reason why this is a big deal is because normally some pillows can be uncomfortable depending on, you know, the fabric. It could be too hot, too cold. You know, the inside material could be too much or too little, or not comfortable at all. It depends on the person and what fits your preference. But for this particular collection, I have found to be very, very comfortable. Now, I don't just use these pillows to sleep. Okay, sometimes I'm in the office and I'm using them for my back. Sometimes I'm using them if I'm playing a video game of some sort. I'm using it here. Sometimes I use them to sit on when I'm meditating. I mean, these pillows are comfortable, and you could use them in so many different ways. Now, these pillows are not memory foam. They are a gel pillow. Okay. The cotton on the inside, very smooth texture to them, very comfortable, very forming to your head and neck. Okay, this pillow is amazing quality for such a cheap price. Now, if you guys are looking into getting new pillows, I'll leave a link in the description below. You can purchase them there. Also, you can check out the reviews on this particular set of pillows. They come in multiple sizes, you know, depending on your mattress. You know, you can get the single, you can get the full size, the queen, and the king size pillow for your king size or whatever size mattress you have. My overall feeling for the pillow, it's been the best pillow that I've had so far, and I normally have such a hard time sleeping, normally because I'm tossing and turning all night long. It's just something I do, and getting new pillows has definitely changed that for me. I'm still tossing and turning, but it's not like it was before. Okay, it's not too high where it's gonna hurt your neck in any way, but it's like a perfect level, and it's not too low where your neck's gonna be down. It's just perfect. Wouldn't ask for anything different about the pillow. I think that I made an awesome choice picking this particular one. Silk covers always are a good thing because it keeps your pillow nice and cool no matter, you know, what side you're laying on. So I would give this particular pillow set 10 out of 10. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about the particular pillows. Also, smash a like on the video, subscribe to the channel below if you want to see more videos, and that's gonna be it. I'll see you guys later. Peace.
Listen.